Hello children, today we will learn about our body parts. So let's start it. Head, eye, nose, hand, stomach, knee, hair, ear, mouth, chest, fingers, leg. And now we will have a quick recap of it. Head, eye, nose, hand, stomach, knee, hair, ear, mouth, chest, fingers, leg. Children, we have learned about some body parts. In next video we will learn more about it. And now it's poem time. Rainbow, rainbow purple, rainbow blue, rainbow green and yellow too, rainbow orange, rainbow red, rainbow smiling overhead. Come and count the colors with me. How many colors can you see? And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Bye.